The Aetherial Conduit. A marvel of forgotten science, now a source of global energy, but at what cost? The conduit hums with power, an invisible force field protecting the city from unforeseen threats. Whispers of instability grow as the conduit's energy readings fluctuate wildly, exceeding safe parameters. An anomaly is detected, a rip in the ethereal fabric that threatens to destabilize the conduit and unleash chaos. The city above remains oblivious, unaware of the impending disaster brewing beneath their feet. Dr. Jennings discovers a failsafe, a risky maneuver that could stabilize the conduit, but at a great personal cost. The failsafe activates, unleashing a wave of pure ethereal energy that surges through the conduit. Chief Engineer Holt races against time to contain the energy surge, using his expertise to reroute the flow. The conduit begins to stabilize, the energy readings returning to normal levels, but the danger is far from over. A secondary anomaly emerges, a tear in reality caused by the ethereal energy, revealing glimpses of another world. Security guard Miller spots shadowy figures emerging from the portal, entities from another dimension. Dr. Jennings realizes the conduit is acting as a bridge between worlds, and these entities seek to exploit its power. Chief Engineer Holt rallies the remaining personnel, preparing for a desperate defense against the interdimensional invaders. The first wave of invaders attacks, engaging the conduit personnel in a fierce firefight. Security guard Miller holds his ground, bravely defending a critical access point, buying time for the others. Dr. Jennings works feverishly to reseal the portal, reprogramming the conduit's energy matrix. Chief Engineer Holt confronts the leader of the invaders, a towering figure wielding immense power. With a final surge of energy, Dr. Jennings closes the portal, severing the connection between worlds. The conduit falls silent, the threat neutralized, but the world is forever changed by the knowledge of what lies beyond.